I'd like to call on stage the head coach, Mr. Rahul Dravid. Tell me if you, I know it's very difficult to sum up this answer, but what do all these boys mean to you?
So I just couldn't get what
I said, I know it's difficult to sum this up in a line, but what do all these boys mean to you?
I think they're like family. I think I can't, it's just been incredible what these boys have done. Just the level of hard work, resilience, fighting spirit, a never say die attitude, constantly looking to get better. You know, as a coach and as a support staff, we could never have asked for anything more. They're fantastically led by Rohit and the senior members in this team, and it's truly a privilege to be able to coach and work with these boys.
As you pull the curtain down on such a successful stint, what are you going to miss about this hurricane of emotions that has been the last few years?
I'm gonna miss this love. I mean, what we've seen today is absolutely phenomenal. What we've seen right from the time where we've landed here, and I'm sure these scenes people have told me have happened all over India. Just the love of the people, the love of these fans. I think it's these fans and these people who make cricket the game it is. It's the greatest game in the world because of the fans from India. Thank you so much. We're truly indebted to you guys.
Rahul, you have to tell us about that phone call that we keep hearing about. Tell us about that phone call if you can a little bit from Rohit.
Yes, I mean, I wasn't really sure whether I was going to continue after the 50-over World Cup, and obviously there was a great joy of having had a fantastic campaign in the 50-over World Cup, but also the little bit of disappointment in the final that we could not get across the line. And for Rohit to pick up the phone to me and say, Rahul, let's have one more crack at it in 6 or 8 months' time. It'll be lovely to have a crack together. I'm so thankful because of that. I've had a chance to firstly work with this exceptionally great bunch of boys, but also experience what I've experienced at Barbados and to experience what I've done here. So truly grateful, and yeah, it's probably one of the best phone calls I've received in my life.
It has to be the best phone call we know you've received in your life, so for sure. And lastly, is this just the best way to kind of sign off?
Yeah, it's certainly nice. It's a fantastic way to finish. I mean, obviously there's a lot of stuff that I'm going to miss. I'm going to miss this team. I'm going to miss these boys. I'm going to miss so much. I'm going to miss, you know, just my support staff, everyone on that support staff team of mine. You know, I think they have been, that support staff is, I'm standing here today because of the support of the rest of my support staff. You know, I think without them, I would not have been able to function and do the kind of work that I've been able to do. So I'm truly grateful, and yeah, it's a nice way to finish.
You've given us so much joy when you were batting for Team India, and it gave us so much joy to see this team hoisting you up in the air like that in Barbados. Thank you so much for all that you've done for Indian cricket.
Thanks, Gaurav. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for turning up. This means a lot.
Mr. Rahul Dravid.